How to make photos into videos in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up CapCut on a device. Now simply tap on new project. Now next to videos, simply tap on photos. Then select the photo. If you want to add multiple, simply tap on the multiple photos and tap on add at the bottom right corner. Now simply select the photo clip. Then tap on animation. Now choose any of the animations given below. You can also select combo animations. Now once you apply the animation, your photo will look like a video. Now once you're done, simply tap on export at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.